What's up, everybody? I am your boy D Livingston, and today we have another sneaker review. Basically, the name of the game is Heat or Sleep. We're gonna see if these are fire or if we should have just slept on them and left them in the store, you feel me? So, getting right into it, we got the Hare 6s. They dropped Wednesday, June 7th for a retail of $190. Feel me? So, the colorway on this shoe is neutral gray, black, white, with the retail of $190, like I said. The box, pretty cool. And before we even jump into it, I just want to let y'all know, this is my first time looking at the shoe. I did not buy them in store. I had them shipped to me, took them straight out the box, put them right here, did not open the box or nothing. So, we're about to look at these together. You feel me? So, looking at the box, has a cool little Hare right there, with the Jordan Jumpman in the corner. On the outside, we got a Jordan and Air Jordan right here on the side. Told y'all the colorway, so we're about to get right into it. I mean, it's a cool looking box. I like the Hare theme on the top, but I mean, a cool looking box can mean nothing. I have not seen these in person, like I said. So I only seen pictures. Maybe they look better in person, maybe they look worse in person. But looking at the paper that comes with it, I mean, that's pretty dope. I like the vibes. The zigzag line, colorful Hare theme. I like the vibes. Pretty cool. Okay. We pour these out first, and then we're gonna get y'all a look at it first, and then I'm gonna analyze it. How about that? That's one. That's two. Let's close up this box. Boom. Boom. All right. So take this shoe and analyze it. So at the bottom, got that reddish colorway. I forgot the name of it already. I just looked at the colorway. But we got that, it's like a reddish, pinkish sole instead of like the blue, icy blue that we usually have on sixes. You got a light gray on the middle, and then we got white midsole on the upper as well. And then on the back, we got the hints of green at the bottom, and then we got the black Jumpman with the black heel tab, as well as the hint of red on the heel tab. And then we got the red tongue, black Jumpman on the tongue, and then just noticing this, I couldn't tell from the pictures, but it's like a translucent
down.
The upper level of the tongue is translucent with, you can see hints of the Hare colorway on it. As well as the inside is pretty cool. But now, my turn. Let's analyze this bad boy. I'm gonna rate the quality of it. We're gonna see if this heat is, if it's heat or sleep. So just judging off the quality, I mean, it's okay quality. I mean, you can't expect the best out of Jordan brand nowadays. I mean, they raise the price, but they don't always raise the quality of them. I don't see no glue stains on it. Yeah, no loose glue stains or anything. This translucent on the tongue is pretty cool though. I did not notice that from the pictures. There's a little yellow shoelace holder. Yeah, I mean, quality decent, it's alright. Not bad at all. I mean, you can't expect like phenomenal quality on just a regular six. But I mean, it's cool, it's straight. Oh, I didn't get y'all look at the bottom. Boom, hints of green, that red that I was talking about, white, and then the black jump, man. I mean, yeah. It's alright, it's a clean colorway. I like it. Not bad at all, I like it. Inspired by the Hare 7s. I own the Hare 7s, but it's cool. Oh, I said black. I said black on the Jordan, huh? That's actually purple. I said black on the back, but yeah, it's actually purple. Purple Jumpman on the back. I mean, yeah, they're cool. I think I also said black on the bottom. I was looking through the camera, but purple on the bottom as well. You feel me? It's all good. You know, players fuck up too. And I mean, it's a cool colorway. I like them. It's not bad quality. It's not terrible quality. I like the box as well. It's a cool little thing box as well. The shoe, I mean, it's not, what should I say? How should I word it? It's not the worst. It's not the worst colorway. But for me, personally for me, I wouldn't rock this often. It's not the worst colorway. It's a clean little colorway. I like it. I mean, they definitely sold out as well. They sold out quick. But for me, it's not, it's just simple. It's a simple colorway, but it's also at the same time, it's just not my style. Like for me, if I'm wearing an all white shoe, I don't want like three different colors on it. If I'm wearing like a simple white shoe, I prefer just for it to have like maybe like 2 theme colors. This one has like green on the back, a purplish pink. So I also prefer the icy blue soles for some reason, but I mean, it's cool. Hare 7s, I'd probably say I like them better, but it's not the worst shoe in the world. Clean little shoe. Now, is the heat or sleep? I mean, I'm gonna give it, it's cool, I like it. So I'm gonna say it's heat. It definitely sold out in seconds. I mean, it didn't sell out in seconds, but it's definitely sold out pretty quick. It's probably sold out pretty quick everywhere. I have seen it restock a couple times, so I know I'm definitely not the first review on YouTube about it, but that's okay. I mean, I'm making videos for fun. We ain't aiming to be the first video. We just aiming to get our opinions out about it. So that being said, I mean, it's a cool little shoe. I just want to give y'all my thoughts on it. Heat or sleep? I'm gonna give it heat. I'm gonna say it's heat, but at the same time, I understand why people sleeping on it, because it's not the Hare 7s. Hare 7s, heat automatically, like no sleeping about it. But these, it's just all right. I like them. It's clean colorway, but I mean, with the right fit, these can be fire, super fire. But you can also be looking a fool in these. That's how I feel. It's like colors can. It's a simple colorway, but it's also like so many different colors on the shoe that it's just not what I can see wearing often. But that being said, it's cool. It's cool. That's what I'm saying. It's cool. It's heat, but I can understand why people sleep on it. That's what I say. It's heat, but I understand why people sleep on it. So just give y'all one more look at the shoe. We got that red. It's like, it starts the sole. It's probably what's throwing me off, the sole in person. Like in pictures when I seen them, the sole just looked more red, but in person, this sole, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this sole just looks like pinkish a bit. It's like, it's red, but it's also like, it has hints of pink. It's like pinkish red. Like, how do they describe it? Neutral, gray, black, white. They didn't even talk about this. They didn't even talk about the sole on the shoe, but in the description, they didn't talk about the sole of the shoe. But I mean, it's cool. This is probably what's throwing me off about it as well. It has like actual dark red, like more of varsity red on the shoe, on the tongue, but then it has this pinkish red on the sole. Like, that's probably what's throwing me off about this shoe. In pictures, I say this shoe definitely looks better in pictures. But you got one more overview of the shoe. It's like a pinkish red sole on the bottom. Hints of gray on the side, white midsole, white on the upper, as well as a purple Jumpman on the back, with the black heel tab and the hints of red on the heel tab, and then on the bottom, boom, we got the purple with the, again, the pinkish red, the green I was talking about, and then the white. So I mean, yeah, it's cool, it's clean. Heat or sleep, I'm gonna say it's heat, but I understand why people sleeping on them, because I say with this shoe, it can go either way. Heat or sleep, I say this shoe could go either way. Cause it's heat or sleep. I kind of want to just put it in the middle. cause this can definitely be fire with the right fit. The sole is just throwing me off a bit, and it's like too many variations of colors. I don't like how this is yellow and green, but I get why it is Hare's. But I mean, the sole is kind of throwing me off in pictures. It was more red, and it's purple and green and all that. It's just not the same as the sevens. But heat or sleep, I'm gonna say it's heat, but I understand why people sleeping on them. You feel me? With that being said, we out. I appreciate y'all, and if you could, please like, subscribe, and comment. Like, let me know how this review was, like what I can improve on, how well I did. Like, I mean, constructive criticism, I like it. So, I mean, I'm making these videos for fun, but I also do want to grow. Like, I want to see just build some type of name for myself in this sneaker community, because I really do this shoe stuff. Like, every shoe release, I'm pretty much on it. You feel me? So, hey, with that being said, we out.